this part of the country for a little while, and there's a lot more you hear this time than there were last time we played just over the river. And we picked up some friends since then as well, playing horns for you tonight. We have Nick, Dave and Rich. And over in the string corner over here we have Will the Fire of Fury and Ross Holmes.
Settle under the lonely hearts of the warmth in your eyes. Swept me into your arms with love. I feel the cold that waters through the night. For every kiss, your beauty traps my doubts. And my head's from my heart and my world. But my heart's from my send me off from the God that I once loved was the same that sent me into your